Well, talks or no talks, what's clear is that Baba Ramdev is getting ready for his fast. He calls it a satyagraha and says he'll attract lakhs of people.
And at Delhi's famous Ram Leela ground, where it's all supposed to happen, hectic preparations underway, as Aanchal Vora reports.
The Ram Leela ground, fitted with hundreds of ceiling fans and toilets, secured by squads of sniffer dogs and men in khaki. A stage much larger than Anna Hazare's campaign, anticipating the mammoth following Baba Ramdev commands. Already 50 lakh people have called in on this toll-free number to pledge support. Over 2 lakh people have visited the site, and the Facebook hits growing.
हम उनका सहयोग देंगे। रामदेव जी का यह आंदोलन जयप्रकाश के आंदोलन को का पूरक मैं मानता हूँ। जो अनशन पर मैं बैठ रहा हूँ,
एंड तक अगर सरकार ने बहुत दिन
लगेगा सो व्हाट, मैं समझूंगा कि मेरे जीवन का अंतिम समय इस काम में देश के लिए अगर काम आता है तो बहुत अच्छा है, और रामदेव जी पूरा कर रहे हैं जयप्रकाश के सपनों को।
Baba Ramdev burst into national consciousness in 1995 when his mass yoga sessions started being televised. Credited with rejuvenating yoga in India, he used this hugely popular forum also to preach anti-corruption, also a Swadeshi ideology that brought in support from saffron groups. As his popularity grew, so did the controversies. His Divya Yog Mandir Trust came under scrutiny for allegedly making medicines using animal and human remains, charges that were never proved. He bounced back and in 2010 floated his own political party, Bharat Swabhiman. His current fast seems to tap into the mass following that he's garnered over the years.
Government's fear is understandable. If this fast happens, it's likely it's going to be at a much bigger scale than even Anna Hazare's. A massive ground with a capacity to hold lakhs, obtained by possibly even spending lakhs. When asked that question, Baba cleverly avoided. And he says even if the government gives in to all his demands before the 4th, he would still conduct his yoga camp here and call it his victory yatra. Reporting from the capital with Tom and Sid, Aanchal Vora, NDTV.